Information appeared online that 45 Danish and Dutch F-16AM/BM Fighting Falcon fighters will be delivered to the Air Force of Ukraine. The Belgian company Sabca will overhaul and modernize the aircraft before delivery. F-16AM/BM or F-16MLU are at the F-16 Block 50-52 level. These are beautiful planes. If these planes arrive in Ukraine by the summer, then it will be the last piece of the puzzle for the start of a major Ukrainian counteroffensive. And after the announcement of Wagner boss Yevgeny Prigozhin that the Russians had captured Bakhmut, the speaker of the Ukrainian Eastern Group of Forces, Cherevati said, "That is a lie. This is not true. Our units continue fighting in Bakhmut," the military said. But the main thing that the spokesman of the Eastern Group said is that the armed forces of Ukraine are conducting an operation to encircle Bakhmut. Meantime, in the village of Osipenko, in occupied Berdyansk district, locals reported several bangs after which a fire started. The reason for the explosions is unknown, but that is a place where we have Russian military presence. Special forces of the Ukrainian White Wolf unit continue our hunting. 10 more Russian targets were destroyed. 1 tank, 4 BMP, 2 armored vehicles. An ad to join Russian Contact Army. It forgot to mention black body bags included when listing benefits.
Освобождение от земельного налога, компенсацию оплат услуг ЖКХ, путевки в санаторий, отпуск 2 раза в год и другие льготы от государства. Здесь непросто, но здесь все едины. Здесь все ради общего дела.
The Ukrainian military shoot from the RPG-7 houses in which the Wagnerites took refuge during urban battles in Bakhmut.
Вже працює. Ніхуя. Ніхуя. Єбеш?
А це було танку відмітили. Бачили, куди треба стріляти по плану?
Тільки акуратно цілься, тому що перегради.
Не бачили. Блядь, то подивись внимательно, йобаний в рот.
Башня 3, працює. Башня 3 мінус, не працюємо вже. Вже не працюємо.
Все, спостерігаємо, хай вкладаємо, там уже убили 1 200, 1 300 і всяка хуйня, короче. Вот, так що спостерігаємо, уважно.
Походу ми...
Inflating the wheel on the German PZH-2000 self-propelled guns.
Ні, перший раз красивіше присідали.
Scott Ritter came to Russia and visited a training center in Chechnya. We appeal to Russian President Putin and Defense Minister Shoigu. We are mothers, wives, relatives of those mobilized from the Republic of Khakassia, the Altai Territory, and the Kemerovo region. Untrained conscripts perform the tasks of special units without the support of heavy weapons, with machine guns on the tank. How many casualties and how many wounded are not reported? Our men back at the base say they came out of hell. There are a lot of wounded and dead. Out of 501 people, only about 130 men returned, said the relatives of Russian Mobics. The China Central Asia Summit ended in Xi'an. It was decided to build a railway line to China without Russia. And how it is possible, you can see on the map. This shows that China created a new Central Asian C5, which China will lead. And Russia has lost its influence in the region where it historically had a lot of impact. Military instructors from Poland, UK, Lithuania, and Canada salute to Ukrainian defenders returning home from training in Poland.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.